ça qu'a fait gars, c'est Samuel Dave, je me tourner encore avec une autre vidéo pour vous. Avant de commencer la vidéo, si vous abonnez, pas négliger, cliquez bouton abonner, après ça, cliquez sur la cloche pour côté là pour avoir recevoir notification chaque fois que nous même upload vidéo. Comme nous avons dans cette vidéo, nous connaissons qui ça que je dis, je dis c'est fait Anne, je dis c'est fait Madame Mwen, je dis fait li 21 ans, men, so li resi gen 21 ans. Yeah, moi je voulais faire cette vidéo, ça vous capable de dire li happy birthday, bonne fête chérie, vous connaissez. Moi remè ou en pile, moi espérer que tout ça que vous rêvez, yo vini true, et puis tout, moi espérer que vous passez un bon birthday jeudi. Yeah, moi là quand moi connais là, moi pour pick up li après, moi gen quelques cadeaux que moi pour porter pour lui. Après ça, yeah, moi j'étais juste voulu faire cette vidéo, ça vous capable de faire un petit vlog pour montrer nous comment que fait Anne qu'elle même lui passé, men. So, allez dans les commentaires, allez dire Anne happy birthday, men. C'est vrai que je connais que c'est pas comme ça qu'elle voulait 21 ans l'an passé, mais je connais que dans tout bagage qui a passé dans le monde là, comment tout bagage y est, on pas faire un men. So, yeah, n'a fond pour nous capable célébrer quand même, men, parce que c'est pas ça seulement qui est important, men. So, j'aime ça, allez dans les commentaires, allez souhaiter Anne yon happy birthday, men. Et puis tout, si vous abonnez, pas négliger, cliquez bouton abonner, après ça, cliquez sur la cloche qui est à côté là. So, chérie, j'aime ça, moi, en pile, et moi, pas attendre pour moi, so, moi, pas les, Anne parle comme ça, et puis tout, arrêtez regarder la vidéo, guys, et puis tout, pour nous capables voir comment fait Anne li passer jeudi, là, men.
Y hoy que es tu cumpleaños, ¿quién te besaba por mí?
Alright guys, so Anne pas attendre pour me bali cadeau de porter pour lui encore, so moi va le bali kounya là. Fais mes jours. Okay. First gift. No. That's the first one. Le premier cadeau.
Oh, thank you, baby.
You're welcome, baby.
He knows I love flowers.
Thank you.
My beautiful wife.
Okay, move more lah.
Don't know, didn't see it.
Thank you, baby.
I love it.
Wanna?
Yeah, you know I do. Thank you, baby. Yeah.
You're welcome. Oh, no cadeau. You can read that after, baby.
Okay, fine.
Here.
I'm excited for this one.
Okay, now don't go crazy, baby.
Oh my gosh. This one I imagine now. Look at this.
Okay. Baby, oh. Evacunya.
Yeah, I'm in right now. Help me.
Okay.
Oh my god, this is beautiful.
Melly? Okay.
I love it, baby.
You do.
Yeah.
That's good.
Wait a minute.
Ah, let me read. Open the window so you can.
Hey! I'm wearing this every day.
Okay, baby, come back at me. What you do? Wait till you say.
Oh my lord. It's beautiful.
You gotta take this off though.
You better, baby.
No, that's like that's not. You're not supposed to wear
Oh
this.
my god, baby. What? Power me. Yeah, you're back. Did you get any? Good. Oh my god.
Oof, this is not easy to
You
pick
think
up.
this is small, baby?
This is so small.
No, it's not.
This is not even gonna fit you.
What do you mean?
Gade, where's your tennis on petit? Tenis, même plus go passer tennis là.
Oh my gosh, baby.
Mettez-le.
I can't.
Et qu'on va le mettre lui. J'espère appeler ça cassé.
Come on, I don't want to mess it up.
Okay.
Baby, moi, je vais open back à Jordan, ça, baby.
Ça m'a dit.
One time for the birthday. Two times for the birthday. You okay?
There you go.
Oh my god. Tyler, I want for Snapchat. Where's my phone? Oh, can I see my phone real quick?
Alright, there we go. There you go.
Look at my baby girl, baby. This is cute. Oh my god. Look at my flowers.
Hey,
Look
there's
at my
another
car.
one.
My beautiful wife. Look at my baby girl.
Okay, baby. Menaj.
This is cute. Oh my god.
Menaj,
Look
baby.
at my flowers. Yay. Remember that one should be this.
Baby, ça trop petit bout.
No, it's not. It's how petit my fell not to it.
Vous mettez lui?
Done. Let's all parler about it.
Baby, I really want this to fit you.
It does. Babe, my feet ain't even reach yet.
Okay. Oh, we gotta open it more.
I'm back at don't open anymore.
Tell it, baby, pick up cards
Hey, it
and
fit perfectly, baby. Touch it. It's kind of too big a little.
Really? But it's good like this because they
Oh my god, what? I love it. So you see this? You see this? Oh my god.
Okay, no.
Bon, l'autre là. Oh my god.
Les bons?
Dale.
Baby.
Oh, I'm back to that. Oh, I have to walk on it.
Ou ka bete la te pa machou bal mache?
Oh my god. Manjasa, I like this thing.
Okay. Okay, no, baby. You can close the door now.
No, I want people to see it. God. We're going to take 100 pictures.
That's not gonna happen. Okay, don't let Kado go over here.
Oh my god. This is so cute on my feet.
Kite piyo la. There you go.
Let them see it. You see this? Look at this. Got it. Bell. I love it. Oh my god, I got a photo of it.
Baby, no, go let Kado go over wa bezwen.
I'm so excited.
Ou wa bezwen le Kado?
Oh my god, look. Look what they haven't seen. Bell.
Okay, baby, okay. Okay, no fini. Ah, vamos para le Kado. Ça me joue. There you go, me la Kado, guys. I'm gonna do that.
A big one. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Y'all. Oh my god. Look at this. Jesus Christ, babe. Oh my god. Photo balagan net. Come here. Oh my god, my love. Come here. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh my god, look at this, look at that.
It's gonna match perfect with your shoes.
Photo lagi, let's go. Picture time.
Look at the one for photo.
Oh my god. Look at mommy well, she's gonna take it. She loves Marco Kors just like I do. Oh my lord, this is beautiful. Oh my lord. Look at this. Hey! My Coco sweet. Hey, baby. Hey, my touches my shoe. Oh my god, let's go picture time.
Baby, you fini?
Yes, let's go picture time.
Alright guys, so mba fè photo ansama avèk Anne kounya la paske mwen bak atan an komen. So, mwen me kado yo? Kè sou vi reme?
I don't know.
Kè sou vi reme nan tout de?
I don't know, babe, all of them.
Tenis la ou bien sa? Ou bien flower?
I don't know. Je suis pas connue. Oh my god.
Ou wale photo sa tou?
Yeah.
Oh, what is this?
Oh, baby, this is beautiful.
I know you were gonna love it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love it. It's not too big and it's not too small. It's just perfect. A perfect size. Oh my god. Ridiculous.
I'm glad you like it.
I don't like it. I love it.
Love you.
I love you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, babe. Oh my god.
Okay guys, mba fè photo pou Anne kounya paske mwen bak atan an komen. So, gete branche.
I love this so much.
Mba yon mette dis la anko?
I do. Oh, I do.
Mwen nan lo baby.
Oh my goodness. I love this. Okay, let's go. Because I bet it's gonna rain. Taking video.